Let's learn how do we divide 428 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 4. We know that 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. Look that this is the number 2. So remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 8 beside this 0. And this is the number 8. So remove this 0 again. And we know that 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0, and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 428 divided by 2 is equal to 214, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.